Alright guys, it's King Panda for Luxury Cars Manila. This is a brand new brand new 2023 Lexus LM350 that we just got out of the factory. It's fully armored level 6. Hindi nyo guys makita na level 6 siya because looks like a normal LM350. We upgraded the tires to accommodate for the, kasi naka-low profile siya. So we had to replace the tires to accommodate the run flat inserts. But this is a fully armored LM350. How can you tell? This is the limo version ng LM350, no? Sorry guys. Medyo madilim lang. But that is a 4-seater. There's a spall return. This is all armored glass. This whole thing is armored glass. So makita nyo, this is an original factory Lexus LM350. Manufactured by Luxury Cars Manila. Kita nyo naman how pulido the work is. There you go. So there, it's fully armored in the back. It rides absolutely amazing. That's the rear. So medyo madilim lang. So guys, there. So this is probably one of the first fully armored LM350 in the Philippines, armored locally by yours truly, Luxury Cars Manila. We're truly proud of this amazing work. Our team at Luxury Cars Manila did an amazing job. Katatapos lang kanina. Sorry, medyo madilim. I'll post the pictures later on so that you guys can see the actual work. All right, have a great day, guys. I'm off to my level 6, boss. It's level 6, fully armored level 6. Assault rifle protection.